Making a Pioneer bank account from scratch is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a bank account from scratch in Pioneer. So for that, you have to go to your browser and type in Pioneer. So if I go to Pioneer, and as you guys can see, I'm at their home website. Now here, I just have to type in open your account. I just have to click on that option and it will take me to this page. Now here you have to select an option for what purpose you are creating this account. So suppose I'm a freelancer, I'm just going to click on that and I just have to select any of the option. It totally depends upon you. If I'm just click on this and I'm going to select the range of the money, and then I'm going to have to click on this register. Now here the real thing starts right here. You just have to start putting your information. You just need to have your, if you are making this account for your individual use, or you are making this for a corporation or company, you have to select the corporation or company, or if you're using it for individual purposes. I'm just going to select individual, and I have to add my first, last name, email address. I have to re-enter my email address, date of birth. Now after that, they will want you to add some contact details as well as address as well. And now in the third section, and the security details, they will want you to add some security questions, your strong passwords type of things. After that, you just have to link your bank account with the same name of your Pioneer account that you're creating. So that's how you guys can create a Pioneer account from scratch. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys will be able to create a Pioneer account from scratch. Hope you guys find this helpful.